Welcome back guys. Is Tesla heading towards the 300 mark? Let's start with this weekly chart, and straight away I would like to zoom in and show you this candle here. This weekly candle is actually quite bearish. You can see that the wick is there and the body is very small, so inverse hammer candle. This is a bearish candle. Also look at this volume gap that is available over here. So the next peak in volume is sitting at 255, so roughly this range over here, 260 till $250 is very important, and it might come into play over the next few weeks. Also, if I zoom out and show you this level here, which is again 255 rejection here, this was support and then a lot of rejection here, and finally we are trying to come back down to test this. So again, will 300 happen or not? So in my personal opinion, first we are heading back towards this 260 $250 range, and then we will try to pump towards the $300 mark, which is sitting over here. And as you can see, this was resistance over here and over here also. So yes, 300 is a very important psychological level. So something of this sort is possible, but we cannot only rely on one chart itself. So let's quickly zoom over to the daily chart, because there is something important happening. Again, let me zoom in and show you. This is very important. Look at this higher high that the market is creating over here, and look at this RSI over here giving us a lower high. So this is a bearish divergence forming, and look at this volume gap that I was talking about before. So market will try to close this gap, and you can see once again the peak in volume is showing at 255. So this might get tested, and then market will try to continue upwards. So this retest can actually be very good for the market. Why? If something of this sort happen where we come down to 55, market is making a higher low, but maybe the RSI will be flat, or maybe it will give us a lower low, which means a hidden bullish divergence might start to form in this $250 $260 range, and that might help the market pump back up towards the 300 mark. So very similar thing is also visible on the 4-hour chart. If I quickly go there, even bigger bearish divergence. Look at this higher high and look at this extreme lower high. So very big divergence. Again, volume gap is available. The same peak is there, 255. So yes, something of this sort can happen, come down to test, bounce up. But I want to show you something on the fib levels. So let me just quickly go back to the daily chart and drop the fib levels from the all-time high to the recent low. Now look at this, 0.618 is sitting at 294. So again, around the 200 mark is where the golden zone is, and the 0.5 level is sitting at 257, again coinciding very nicely with the $255 range that I was talking. So yes, this retest is possible, and then try to go back up towards 300, or the next retest. If you're not able to hold 255, we are looking towards $220, which coincides with the 0.382 level on the fib chart. Let me get rid of the fib level, and then we'll mark up 220. So you can see now over here, look at this support, this was all resistance, again resistance here. So $220 is also quite important. So these two retests can happen before we try to go towards the 300 and then 310, which is over here. These two are the targets. Now another good thing is, if I zoom in and show you on the daily chart, look at this. The moving averages are about to cross over, and as you know, these crossovers are generally known as a bullish signal. So these are some of the things that might push Tesla towards 300. Let's quickly go to the 4-hour again and look at this crossover that is happening right now. Almost done, maybe 3 or 4 candles more needed, and this crossover would be complete, another bullish sign. Also, please feel free to put your thoughts below. What do you think? Are we heading towards 300 or no? We are now going back down. So if we have this retest of 255, this is actually coinciding with the earnings that will be announced on 19th July. So something of this sort is possible, where 255 is around the 19, 20 July, 18 July. And once the results come out and they are good, then yes, we are heading towards 310, 311. So this is the sort of scenario I am hoping for currently. But as you know, I am long on Tesla since this level here, so I'm not too keen to purchase here. Maybe if we go down below towards 200, 220, then yes, I will enter more long positions to build my long-term portfolio. But yes, do let me know, what are you thinking? What is your plan? Are you going to buy here or not, or you will also wait for 220? Do let us know in the comments. And as you know, we have started a free Telegram group. If you are interested, please feel to join from the link in the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. And a gentle reminder, market is extremely volatile. If you are actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.